guys, welcome to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to make a BLT, which is a bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich. We hope you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 2 thick slices of white bread, some lettuce of your choice. We went for iceberg lettuce because we love iceberg lettuce. 4 quite thick strips of bacon, 1 nice and big fleshy tomato, some mayonnaise, and finally some salt and some pepper. Let's go. So first of all, we're going to slice up our tomato. I'm going to place the tomato like this because that way I will get beautiful slices, and also it's very important that you slice up your tomato quite fine. Not too fine, but definitely not too thick as well. First, I'm going to remove this top bit, then I'm going to slice. I think I'll definitely have enough slices with this. I'll probably use about 4. Next, we're going to toast our bread. Do this however you like. Our toaster is a bit too small to fit our bread, so we're just going to do it this way. So next up, we're going to fry our bacon. Take a pan and put it on a fire. Put the fire on medium-low and wait until your pan is hot. We're not going to add any oil because the bacon contains enough fat as it is. And now just place your bacon in the pan. And now just fry the bacon to your preference. Some like it chewy, some like it crispy. Alright, so our bacon is done and I've just let it drain all of the fat on this little rack. Now let's start assembling our BLT. So first, mayonnaise. I'm going to add it to both of the slices of bread. Next, we're going to add the lettuce. So I'm gonna take a good handful and spread it across the bread. There we go. A nice soft bed of lettuce. Now for one of the most important steps, we're going to add the tomato. And this can be quite a generous amount. As I said earlier, I'm going to use 4 so that I make sure that my complete sandwich is covered with tomato. There we go. Now we're going to season them with some pepper and some salt. And now for the final step, here comes the bacon. So we're just going to place our bacon strips, which now are very nice and crispy, on top of the tomato. There we go. Looks so beautiful. And now finish off by placing your other slice of bread on top of your almost ready sandwich. Yes! Alrighty, that is looking good. Alright, so for the ultimate presentation, we're going to cut it into triangles. There we go. Oh yeah, looking good. Time for a test. This is really hard eating with one hand. I'm going to try and do it more or less elegantly.
Very elegant. There's so much mayonnaise on your face.
Oh my god, that's really good. It's so simple. The ingredients are so basic, but the combination is genius. So this is probably for a lot of you guys just like a plain old normal recipe, but I know probably in Belgium and maybe somewhere else this is like a nice inspiration for someone who would like to experiment with a new sandwich. So thank you guys for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, feel free to like the episode. If you just really love what we do, you can always subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate all of your support. So yeah, thank you for that. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!